Oh, hello there. This is Oliver.
Hello.
I have a problem with my installer for Diablo.
Okay, what seems to be the problem?
It seems to I've re-downloaded the whole thing like 6 times or something, and it just keeps telling me the error 108.
Error 108.
Yeah, well, the error 108.
Okay, can you be precise which one? Because it's actually important.
It is the error. It pops up. It pops up in the middle of the installation. I don't even get past 0%.
Yeah.
And then it pops up and tells me I have an error that is called 108, and I've searched all of your forums, and they keep telling me different things, like I have to delete the .part files in the folder. But can you tell me precisely what I have to do? Because I've already called you, and you just told me to re-download it, and I've done that 6 times now.
Yeah.
I'm getting very annoyed by it now.
Okay.
So can you guide me precisely?
So what is sorry. Let's start with the operating system. Is it Windows?
No, it is Mac.
Mac. Which Mac is it? Which operating system?
It is the MacBook Pro. The
Lion? Is it Snow
yes, it is.
Leopard?
Yes, it is Lion.
Lion. All right.
Yes.
Did you already try to download the installer again from our website? Not from Battle.net, but from the website.
I only downloaded it from the Battle.net.
Okay. There's another updated installer on our website. I'll guide you through. You're on the Battle.net right now?
Yes, now I am.
Okay. Right hand side top of the screen corner, there's a button called Explore.
Yes.
Please hit it and now click on Diablo 3.
Yes.
Right?
Hold
so
on.
You're now on the main page for
Yes.
Diablo.
Yes, I am.
If you scroll a bit, there's a second post. Second post is called New Downloaders for English and German. Can you see it? Are you in English?
Yes.
Language?
Yes. It is English. No, I cannot see it.
Second post, New Downloaders for English and German.
How far do I have to scroll?
Like if you just go down a bit, what can you see when you click on home? Yeah?
On whom?
The second post on the page is called New Downloaders for English and German.
For me, it says character profiles coming soon. That is the second post. Are you there?
Okay, you're on the wrong page. Okay? Can you have a look at the address? Is it start with reveal or is it start with eu.battle.net?
It says US. It says us.battle.net.
Okay, so you're on the US battle.net. Okay, I'll give you the exact address. So you can leave the HTTP.
The what?
You can leave this stuff at the address.
Yes.
Okay, so you can leave the part with HTTP, the column and the forward slashes, and start with eu.battle.net.
Hold on. Yes.
Forward slash D3.
Forward slash. What does that mean?
Forward slash. Can you see a question mark on your keyboard?
Yes.
Yeah. So hit this key.
Then it goes like plus.
Plus. Oh.
I'm on a Mac, on a Danish keyboard.
Yeah. On the that's a complicated one. On a Mac, on a Danish.
Is it like just a little line?
No, it's like a forward slash. So it's
Can you send me a link in the chat we are having?
Okay. No, not in the chat because you're on the Skype. I'm not on the Skype. I'm on the phone.
Oh, I see. So yes, you're gonna have to guide me very specifically.
Okay. When you're on the Battle.net webpage, yeah, can you just click on Battle.net webpage?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Like on your account, yeah.
Yeah, now I'm in. Oh, yep. Now I'm in. Now, yeah. Now I'm in it.
In where?
It shows my games. Well, the games.
Your games. Okay, cool. So when you're looking at the address,
Yeah.
the address, it starts with HTTP.
No.
Yep.
No.
So what does it start?
us.battle.net.
So it's got okay. You're on the. Why are you on the US Battle.net?
I have
You're
no
on the
idea.
European web.
It doesn't
Okay,
like me.
Fair enough. All right. You know what? It's actually gonna be better if I'll just send you an email. All right.
Okay, sure.
Can you give me your email address?
Yeah, sure. Oliver
Yep.
Overgaard, OVERGAARD. The fucking night!
Hvad skete der?